final thing I wanted to show was the Finalmouse, which Tfue and Ninja and a lot of the liquid guys, they use this. So I wanted to unbox this. It's the Ninja Air 58, which is the latest Finalmouse. I got this on eBay. These sold out pretty quick, so you might have to buy it on eBay, or you might have to buy it somewhere else, or you might have to wait a really long time because they're on back order. I think all the Finalmice are on back order. You see here, it's pretty simple. Simple lightweight mouse. Wow. Here's the underside of the mouse. Relative to my hand, it's a little scroll wheel with all the Ninja stuff on it. It's got a button right there and 2 buttons that can be mapped right there. So total of 3 buttons in the scroll wheel. Super lightweight. Then like a cloth exterior on the cord.